Mac.
This is an example of the majority of what the keys are on there, like this size right here. And what you have underneath is this plastic scissor hinge that's attached to the key underneath. So what you're actually doing is you're separating this hinge from that key when you actually slide the tool underneath. So let me see if I can give you a side view of this. You can kind of see that right there, how it drops right there. So what you're actually doing when you're separating the two, you're taking this tool and you're sticking it inside this little fold right here. And then when you press in, that snaps that right off. So that's why it's important to go in on the actual sides of it and to think that that fold will be somewhat centered in that key. So if you slide your toothpick, paper clip, or whatever it might be, think that you need to remain in the center of this key. Let's remove the I key. Put your spudger or whatever you're using underneath the front there like that. And what we're trying to do here is we're just trying to wedge this up just a little bit to be able to slide something underneath this key and the plastic bracket underneath it. So just pull it up enough, and now we can remove this. And as we slide this over, you're going to want to put your finger here, and then it should just snap right off. And just set that to the side. To remove your plastic bracket, key bracket, just start at the top here, wedge it underneath right there. And then you can do the same on the opposite side. And it should just pop right out like that. To replace, put in your new I key. Take your bracket, place the bottom side in first. It should just snap right in and just falls. And then snap the top part in. You can test the bracket just by checking to make sure it hinges up and down. And now you take your I key and just place it on the top there like that, and you push down, and you've replaced your I key.
Mac.
And keys.